Hey students, let's solve one previous question of DBMS. This question was asked in GATE CS 2012, question number 51. Consider the following relation A, B and C. This is A, B, C. How many tuples does the result of the following SQL query contain? And one SQL query is given and 4 options are given. This is a nested subquery. In case of nested subquery, first we'll run the inner query. So select B.Age from B where B.Name equals to Arun. Is there any name of Arun? No. There is Sriya, Hari, Rohit. There is no Arun. Hence, this will give empty. So the inner query output will be empty. Now outer query, select A.Id from A where A.Age is greater than empty. So 60, 24, 11 all are greater than empty. Hence in output it will give 12, 15, 99. All the ID will be in the output. And in question it is asking how many tuples does the result of the following SQL query give. It will give 3 tuples. Hence answer is 3. Option B. I already discussed nested subquery. In case of nested subquery, first we'll run the inner subquery, then we'll run the outer subquery based on inner subquery result. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.